A cubed plus A squared equal to 2366. And A is a real number. We want to find all possible values of A. So one way for solving this is to find at least one root. And one way for finding one root is to use replace. Well, maybe it's hard to reach this, but also we can use that. Another thing is to prime factorize this number. It's multiple of 2. It's multiple of 2 because it's even. The last digit is even. Is it multiple of 3? No, because sum of digit is not multiple of 3. Because sum of digit is 6 plus 3 plus 2, which is 17, not multiple of 3. Is it multiple of 4? Last two digit is important. 66 is not multiple of 4. Is it multiple of 5? No. Is it multiple of 6? No. 7? 3 times this 26, 21. Yes, it's multiple of 7. So first let's divide by 2. It's 2 times 1. Gain 1, 16. 8, now 3. Now let's divide by 7. 7, 1, 48, and 6, 63, 9. And 169 is 13 squared. It's 2 times 7 times 13 squared. Now, if we factor from a squared, it is a squared times a plus. Why we can write this? Let me tell you. A cubed is a2 plus 1 plus a2. And by power rules, we can say what? We can say a to the m plus n equal to a to the m times a to the n. Now here, we can say this a squared times a to the 1, which is a plus a squared. If we factor from a squared, it will be a squared a plus 1 equal to 2 times 7 times 13 squared. Now we can say, okay, because we have squared, if a equal to 13, then a plus 1 is 2 times 7, 14. So we can write it as 13 squared times 2 times 7, 14. And it's exactly, we conclude one answer is a equal to 13, and it's important. Why? Because we can factorize. So it is our first answer. Next step, we try to factorize. We take all things to the left hand side, a cubed plus a squared minus 2366 equal to 0. Now, if we factor from a minus 13, because a 13 is one answer, we place a squared, so it will be a cubed minus 13a squared. But I have a squared here, so I place plus 14a. It will be plus 14a squared minus 13 times 14a. Now I want to get rid of a, because here we don't have a, so I place plus 13 times 14 equal to 0. And we will see the constant term will be 13, 13, 14, which is exactly this. Okay, so we factorized, and the first term is 0, and we've checked that a equal to 13 or second term equal to 0. Because a is a real number, we said. We can also solve it in complex numbers. So, but first, for students that don't know complex numbers, let's solve first only for real numbers. I say real numbers if a squared plus 14a plus 13 times 14 equal to 0. Now you can solve it with two ways that in real numbers we don't have any answer. Let me tell you both of them. In first way, if we have ax squared plus ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 if x is real number delta, or discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, should be at least 0. If x is real, it is only a real number. So you say delta or discriminant equal to b squared 14 squared minus 4 times 1 times 13 times 14. 14 squared is, let's factor from 14. It will be 14 minus 4 times 13. 4 times 13, which is 52. Obviously less than 0, so in real numbers we don't have any answer. Solution number 1 for this part is this. Let's solve also with solution number 2. Solution number 2, we can say I want to use this identity that x plus y squared equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So we say a squared plus 14a plus 49. We add 49 and then subtract 49 plus 13 times 14 equal to 0. Now, this one by the identity is a plus 7 squared minus 49. Let's here factorize from 7. It will be 7 minus 7 is 2 times 13, 26 equal to 0. Now, we have two terms. The first term is at least 0 and second term is positive. Some of them cannot be 0. So we've solved this part with two solutions. Now, if you want to solve in complex numbers, you can use the formula to solve this. So as homework, try to find two answers if you know complex numbers. It's for a little more professional students. If you know complex numbers, find two answers. It's easy if you know complex numbers. You only need to use a formula, quadratic formula. Try to know that I equal to root negative 1. Try to find them, the two answers in complex numbers, and comment your answers right below this video. And if you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thank you.